Hey, it's Eclipse Man 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 Man. And in this video, I'm going to give away some sweet solar eclipse glasses. Watch the whole video to learn how you can get yours. If you've seen some of my recent videos, you know that I won't shut up about the coming solar eclipses. The next one being on October 14, 2023. And solar eclipse glasses are essential for safe solar viewing. And today you can get one of these from me if you're one of the first to claim it. Before we go to the rules, I want to mention that this video is not sponsored at all. The cost of the eclipse glasses, the envelopes, the stamps that are on the envelopes are all coming out of my pocket. So that's why I have a limit of how many I am willing to give out just to stay within my own budget. And this is one of two planned solar eclipse glasses giveaways, so if you missed this one, stay tuned for the next one. So what are you getting? You can request between 1 or 2 pairs of solar eclipse glasses. And just because you ask for 2 doesn't mean you're going to get 2. It depends on how much supply I have, what the demand is, and other circumstances that I may not be thinking about. And you will get one of 4 brands of eclipse glasses: Thousand Oaks Optical, American Paper Optics, Rainbow Symphony, and Lund Solar Systems. And every envelope will have one of these JWST stamps on them. Although this video is not sponsored in any way, this giveaway is not sponsored, I fully endorse the 4 brands that I'm giving away. I reviewed all 4 manufacturers earlier this year and I highlighted their differences. They're all AAS certified, they have the proper certifications, and they are safe to use. And if you're curious about that video, link to that in the description below. Check that out after you've watched this video. Also find other manufacturers and distributors on aas.org. Link to that website in the description below as well. So how do you ask for one of these solar eclipse glasses from me? First rule isn't something that I can really enforce, but I would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe and hit the like button. I am doing this as part of my personal solar outreach, and I would love to reach as many people as possible. The second rule is you must be in the United States. Sorry, international folks, I'm sending these glasses out with 1 JWST stamp, and they can only go so far. So that I don't get into any kind of trouble, you must be 18 years old or older. If you are not, have a parent or guardian sign on and ask on your behalf. If you meet the above criteria, drop a comment with your location, just state and/or city. Please do not post your address in the comment section publicly. I did a bunch of Raspberry Pi giveaways in my other channel years ago, and this happened more than once. So please do not post your address publicly. And in your comments, also let me know if you'd want 1 or 2 pairs. Again, remember that if you ask for 2, you may not get 2. It just depends on supply and demand. And this is a first come, first serve giveaway. This isn't a luck of the draw. The first 100 or so people who meet the criteria and respond will be eligible to get one. Comment anyway, because I may end up giving out more depending on popularity, how many glasses I have, if I get some more, and other circumstances that I may not be thinking about right now. If you are chosen, I will reply to your comment and tell you that you can email me your physical address. You will email Naztronomy plus eclipse@gmail.com. You will send me your name or any kind of identifier and your address. I will accept PO boxes. The email will also be in the description below so that you can copy and paste. Final rule is the honor system. Only 1 entry per household. I obviously can't enforce this either, but try to be fair to everyone else. Because I'm sending these glasses through within regular envelopes, these have 2 bending points, so I have to bend these in order to fit them into the envelope. I'll place a printing paper around them so that they're a little bit more secure, and I'll ship it using or mail it using a regular envelope. If you have a preference on which bend you want, there's 2, one inner one and one outer one. Let me know. Otherwise, I'm just going to do a random one. You'll get a random one, but they're really easy to straighten and then rebend to fit your face. I'm planning on mailing these out around mid-September, so there should be plenty of time to get to you before the October 14th eclipse. Again, this is the first of 2 giveaways. I'm planning on doing another one before the April 8th, 2024 eclipse. I need to get my hands on some more eclipse glasses, which I'm hoping to do within the next few weeks or so. If you have any ideas for other giveaways that I can do to try and promote my channel, and to also spread information about astronomy, astrophotography, solar viewing, etc., let me know in the comments below. Just keep in mind that, at least for now, everything is coming out of my own pocket, and I have a baby, and babies are expensive. So if you were asking for a 16-inch Dobsonian, I won't be able to do that. If you want to support this channel and my ventures, check out the referral links in the description below. Click on them and shop around. It won't cost you anything, and I'll get a certain percentage. And also, you can check out shop.nastronomy.com for t-shirts that you can purchase. If you have any questions about anything I mentioned or anything I covered today, let me know in the comments below and I'll be sure to get back to you. Check out my other videos on everything astronomy and astrophotography. Stay tuned for more videos, and remember to practice safe solar viewing. Until next time, clear skies. Eclipse Man 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 is an homage to one of my favorite characters, Repair Man 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 Man, from one of my all-time favorite shows, All That, played by Kel Mitchell. In fact, the day I'm recording this on August 25th is actually Kel Mitchell's birthday, so happy birthday, Ed. Please don't do anything to get cancelled.